Get it on camera type shit?
Oh, hell no.
Full of style and full of crap. And go for them like down a Philippines money.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know we're there with a hot one, my people. You don't know. God is the greatest, so we have to give God thanks for life. Alright, my people, don't see Wagwan. Big up yourself, SkilliBeng. We see say you get in a new grill, my G. We soon touch the details, my people. First of all, I want to go check out the Youthia Vivo channel. Kabuki music, my people. That tune ya tough, my people. Me and make you go and vibe to it some more. And wanna tell me one thing about it as well. Yeah, my people, Kabuki music, gonna go check out in Vivo. And people, let me know in the comment section wanna think that tune ya bad or what. You understand? Alright, my people, I wanna done say we have a hot update before we jump in at the SkilliBeng news, and people. Yeah, everybody wants the SkilliBeng new grill and beer sitting, but we have hot news, my people. You know, say Cardi B page Russian Wicked. Yeah, man. And guess who she page Russian Wicked for? Not the artist, Vybz Kartel himself. Alright, my people, we're gonna jump in it real quick and come back soon.
Russian. I heard Vybz Kartel want to do a song with me. You need to cook up the best motherfucking song for us. You gotta cook it up. Let's stop spending in that motherfucking song.
Yo, my people, you must hear that, you know. That was a page for Russian. And Russian, if you listen to this, a word to the wise is sufficient. And people, let me know what you think about that. It would have been like wouldn't think of the baddest collab it would have create. You know, think say a billboard, anything say it would have take the whole thing to a next level. Make me know what you think in the comment section, my people. Alright, my people, no don't see what going on now. SkilliBeng, the man, he has been making earways. You understand? From him do this whole BET performance at the awards, he mad up the place. And he did a tour performance the other day with Nicki Minaj. And that you're supposed to see on the screen right now, a run. And you don't know, SkilliBeng, you always tap off him hear them with doing something big. Last time they buy like a big BMW vehicle. And now the man ice out him grill, my people. Alright? I have the video for my people. So we are going to jump in it right now. My people, you don't know. Big up on yourself, Jamaican Chat. Yes, so me go jump off. Me I beg on to continue like, share, subscribe. What my artist say? What they below my nose? I'm out.
Nigga, look at the fucking chain and the fucking mirror.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you're here for.
Oh,
That's the feeling. Seen it, yeah. You figure out where you want to be at, man. Yeah. We'll get you
Right at the entrance.
There you go. We'll secure that. Thank you. Yeah. We gotta pop one more. Fuck.
Yeah. Let's go. Tracks NYC. Tracks NYC. Let's go. Thank you. Wonderful day.
Get it on camera type shit?
Oh, hell no.
There we go. If it's red, it's fake.
Oh, you good.
Natural, baby.
Natural, brother. Oh, he's on the grand. He's on the grand. Natural, baby. Show them that. All natural, my boy shit, man. Don't play with him.
Where's that?
Right here, it's all blue. All blue.
It's inside?
Natural. Yeah,
Take it out. Take it out. Let me see that.
Bang. All natural, baby. That's how you do.
Show him what else is all natural too.
What? Shit, everything all natural, no lab. None of that. Look at that. These teeth, man. Woo. Shit.
Right.
Oh, yeah, show them the ring. The other ring. NYC shit. There we go. Damn, the Pentagon.
What would Kodak say?
upstairs.
Yeah, yeah. Bring upstairs. Get you some.
Champion soul in a real fucking life. Real. Martin, the line of the penny is here. Pass them out in our crowd. Can't pay off each other. I think you'll be me. Like a river. You can work. Hard God. One nation. And the God. Real in money from the store. All who stand up say they're friend again. Boss a million black for your friend. All who know no pussy test. Boss another black. No. You know what? Ain't nobody left.
Hey!